Hello. What do we have here? This is new to me. So they've got surrounds and even a projector. It's pretty amazing what they're able to set up. And I've never seen these speakers. Look at this tweeter. That's very interesting. Stark sound. So maybe this is Iron Man, Tony Stark. It definitely looks futuristic with the tweeter. But I've never seen these amps here. Is this, what is this? This is Stark sound too. So this is new to me. I don't know where this is made though. Let's see if we can figure this out. Hello. Is Stark Sound made in Malaysia?
Sorry?
Where is Stark Sound made?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not familiar with this. They are going to lunch.
Oh, they went to lunch? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna have to find out here. Maybe it's on here. I've never heard of Stark Sound. Maybe it's local here. Interesting. It's actually good looking. I would like to know a little bit more about these drivers though. So, okay. This is very interesting. Okay. I like the stands too. Alright, maybe I'll come back to this one. 33 hertz. Huh. That would be impressive. And it looks like they do amplifiers too. All right.